What's the meaning of binocular? Binocular. Binocular.
Binocular. Binocular. The term binocular refers to a device that is designed for viewing objects with both eyes simultaneously. Binoculars are a common example of this type of device, but the term can also be used more broadly to refer to any type of optical instrument or device that provides stereoscopic vision using both eyes. The word binocular derives from the Latin words bi, meaning two, and oculus, meaning eye. Binocular vision is important for depth perception and spatial awareness in humans and many other animals, and binocular devices have a variety of practical applications in fields ranging from wildlife observation to military reconnaissance.